Chile still have some work to do to convince their supporters they're headed in the right direction. This is an ageing group of players. Chile faces his former employers. He was sacked as Ecuador head coach after their 2014 World Cup exit. So Arturo Vidal is across that. Patricio Lustau of Argentina is the man in the middle today. Season at Old Trafford, scored one and made one in that game as he's looking to get back to his best. Chile, meanwhile, are unchanged as was widely expected. Arturo Vidal's fitness was brought into question. Arturo Mina is moved to the bench, the centre-back having scored an own goal in that game with Uruguay. Ecuador were beaten 4-0 by Uruguay and make 6 changes. They had to do something for the second spell as Ecuador head coach in July 2018. Jackson Mendes, the defensive midfield player from Orlando City in MLS, is at the early yellow. Sets away here, the left back. It is football here from Ecuador. And shut down by Vidal. A 4-1-4-1 formation. It is the preferred system with this Ecuador side of... The goalkeeper's off his line. It's met well and struck into the net brilliantly. What a wonderful goal. Fuenzalida gives Chile the early lead. That is an outstanding strike. And Chile, with their first meaningful attempt on goal, find themselves ahead against Ecuador. This is poor defending all round from Ecuador, no doubt about that, but they've done well to retain possession here. He tries to thread it into Vargas. To play that into Vargas. Fuenzalida. Down by Vidal. Here's Enner Valencia. I think that was a foul. You know, well, it looked like he was trying to actually... Vargas thrown to the ground. Contracted to Minnesota United in MLS, but has just been loaned to Pachuca in Mexico for a year. Was caught by the loose arm. It's an unusual action from Eric Pulgar. A surprising transfer, if truth be told. And that was made last summer from Bayern Munich. Barney both scoring 2. Alexis Sanchez. All the way through to Guillermo Maripana Palavez. Aaron Keys, well weighted. Slightly soft, but can't really see any problems with it in the opening 20 minutes tonight. Alexis Sanchez. Chile looking for the ultimate revenge under the studs of Aranguiz. Fight and intensity now as Enner Valencia goes in search of a second. Gets along with Arboleda wearing number 3 at the back post. It's rolled back for the shot. So Ecuador score for the first time in this Copa America. Chile concede for the first time. It's something. They might have an opportunity here as Mendes is flying into the area. Oh, the referee's pointed straight to the spot. Looking to make amends for giving away the penalty. Can do nothing about the spot kick from Enner Valencia. That's a wonderful goal from him. Rattled down the middle. And out of nowhere, it's Ecuador 1, Chile 1. Just clipped down the middle. How relaxed was Enner Valencia there? High and away from Arias to score. Very cool. From a man approaching 50 appearances for his country, Enner Valencia. It's up towards Alexis Sanchez, who broke clear of his man, and his presence alone has helped. Yeah, catches him right on the heel or the Achilles. Mena. Alexis Sanchez doesn't clear it properly. Plan. Velasco. Great ball into the middle. Oh, it hits the arm of Valencia. Sanchez. Vargas. Defender got in the way of him. Never won the title. And a ball up towards Eduardo Vargas, just a bit too high for him. Well, the Chile supporters are in full voice right now. To space out on this side, and the goalkeeper's come flying off his line again. Oh, and Ibarra's claiming he was caught. Surely that would be denying Romario Ibarra a goal-scoring opportunity. We're going to get our verdict. Uh-oh, yeah, he's in trouble. The referee has reviewed the incident and is going to show a yellow card. Oh, extraordinary. So it's not a red. In it goes, and after all that, first half with major talking points. That is the end of the opening 45, plus some. Well, Ecuador got themselves level through a nailed-on penalty that was converted by Valencia. There was some lead for Chile. Fuenzalida drilling one in. Yeah. Ecuador in the yellow go back to their central defender. Will now get to take the corner, and it's another little set piece. And product was lacking though. Free kick taker in this Ecuador team. Look to swing this in, a little coming together there. Two in the middle for Ecuador here. Valencia's one of them, as is. See if any of them can get on the end of this. It's a high looping corner. Keys turns nicely. We know he's got a great delivery on him, and it's a goal for Alexis Sanchez. His second at this Copa America. And Chile lead for a second time. It just looped up over the goalkeeper, Alexander Dominguez. And Chile, looking for their second win in as many games, have got a goal relatively early in the second half. Aaron Keys with a turn far too easily away from Mendes. Looks like it was actually kicked into the ground a touch there by Alexis Sanchez before it looped up over the goalkeeper. Yeah, that's what did it. What a loose ball that is, and an opportunity now for Vargas. Chile have been gifted the opportunity, but Robert Arboleda, having made the error, used his pace and his power and his understanding to shut down Vargas before he could pull the trigger. In his final season at Old Trafford, that was moving as that was clipped on. Their defenders on the edge of the penalty area right now. Good delivery. Islam. Ramirez. Oh, well weighted. Vargas. Well, he was in for a moment, but once again, not for the first time tonight, Robert Arboleda is very quick to deny him the opportunity to get something properly on goal. Trying to have an immediate impact off the bench. What a... So no, that's 6 in the box for Chile, and the ball's a good one. The header's even better. Brilliant save as well from Dominguez to deny Pulgar his second goal of this Copa America. Alexis Sanchez has a look up, the flag has stayed down, and Eduardo Vargas has a shot, but the flag is... Diaz can move to right back. Looks like Isla's moved out to the right wing, and here he is. Someone got some old school Chile shirts in there as well. His teammates want to play on. Moved out swiftly by Valencia. And the shot